Hello everyone! For today's video, I'm using a 100% acrylic yarn, a 3.0mm crochet hook, and a 16cm wire. But for all the details, you can check in my description below. Okay, for this tutorial, you will need to start by the yellow yarn, then do a magic ring, chain, and a 10 single crochet inside the ring. Then once you have 10, slip stitch in the first stitch in the first single crochet. Make a chain and cut the yarn. Now for the second part, we will use the white yarn and insert your hook in the before the chain. Here, insert right here, then make a chain, then hold this tail right here, insert your hook in the second stitch here, including the tail, so you don't need to cut this one. So make your first single crochet. Okay, that's the first. Then single crochet in the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10 on the beginning chain. Then round 3, single crochet in each for 10 single crochet stitches. Then remove the stitch marker or insert in the first stitch, make a slip stitch, chain, and cut the yarn. Then now, we will change the color. Insert your hook before the chain in the back loop stitch, okay, before this tail or chain. Insert the green yarn, make a chain, then hold this tail, insert your hook in the second stitch in here, not beside the chain, right here, insert in the back loop and single crochet. This is the first stitch, first single crochet. Back loop only in the next 2, back loop only 3, then hide these tails, back loop only in the fourth, back loop only 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10 on the beginning chain. Then for round 5, do a single crochet in each stitch for 10 stitches. And now once you reach to the last stitch, pull up this loop, then wrap around with your fingers the yarn, the extra tail, 3 times. If you want to follow my steps for my 16 centimeter wire, but if you have your long wire, you can add more tail. Then remove the stitch marker. Take your darning needle, then insert the tail first in the back loop, in the first stitch, back loop here, and then in the second stitch, and in the following 9 stitches, insert it in the front loop. Okay, here, okay, so you just ready it in here. Okay, so now we will make the petals. Remember, we have a front loop on this white yarn. Insert your hook here in the front loop of the white yarn. Then make a chain. And chain of 5. Half double crochet, second chain from the hook, half double crochet in the next, then single crochet in the next 2. Then after, make a slip stitch in the next front loop on the next stitch. Okay, then repeat a chain of 5 half double crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then single crochet 2, and then repeat this for 10 petals in total. Okay, when you reach to the end, I will show you the slip stitch around the petals. This is what it look like. This one, a slip stitch around the petal, So what you're going to do is slip stitch here, there, until you will reach to here if you don't want to cut the yarn. Okay, it's like look like this, and without slip stitch is this one. Okay, this one is with slip stitch. So that's it. Then after that, when you're done, slip stitch, hide this tail. Okay, then take your wire, fold the ends and insert in this hole. You can pull tight this yarn tail. Okay, so you see, I like without the doing the slip stitch. Then you can glue on this here to attach the stem, or I mean the sepal at the back, and then wrap around with this yarn tail. And for this pot and leaf tutorial, I have this link on the video on the right side or in my description below if you want to make this one. It's a complete tutorial. Okay, so you can add this one to the pot. This is with slip stitch and this is without slip stitch. Okay, both are beautiful, so if you want to do that, okay, then you can pop this stem right here. So now go ahead and click the next step, and don't forget to like this video if you like, and thank you so much for watching.